You know, sometimes you just gotta know when to call it quits, and I just called it quits. Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a power hour clean. I'm gonna set my timer on my stove for 1 hour, and then, you know, whatever is done in that time is great. Whatever is not done, it just is not getting done right now. If you are new here, please subscribe. I would love to have you. And don't forget to click that bell notification so you'll be notified every time I post a new video. I am gonna get started with throwing a load of towels in the washer, and it's an extra large load. So I'm gonna get that started, and then I'm gonna put all the groceries away, and then I'm gonna be on my merry way with the cleaning. Let's go.
A million people in the crowd, but I only...
All right, so as you can see, I've got, you know, quite a few groceries to put away. I particularly love shopping at Walmart, Aldi, Sam's Club. Those are pretty much my top 3. What stores are in your area that you like shopping at? I want to know.
I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes
Guys, my kitchen cabinets are in desperate need of some organization, so that will be a video coming to you soon.
got me soaring in the clouds, and as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love.
As you can tell, I am a total stuffer when it comes to the dishwasher. Are you guys like that?
Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my...
And if you know my video could help someone, please feel free to share. That really helps me out a lot. What's your favorite chore to do around the house, and what's your least favorite? My favorite is probably like vacuuming and washing out the sink. My least favorite by far is laundry.
About you, something about you. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side when the sun goes down.
You guys, this is totally realistic cleaning going on right now. I had to start and stop so many times, and you know, you'll see at the end that it is clean-ish. It's not perfect, but you know, it's better than it was before.
Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you, yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene.
I'm just using the Method Anti-Bac to wipe down my counters.
On our body language, baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now.
And here I am telling Farouk to come get all his clothes. Are your little ones like this? Do they just like change clothes a million times a day?
The inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, baby. Yeah. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside. Love you on the inside. Taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves. There is no.
So here I'm using the Scentiva in the, I think it's called lavender and jasmine scent. It smells so good and it works really good. It's by Lysol.
Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn.
So here I attempted to spell hi with the glass cleaner. I don't know if it was a fail or not, but hi.
Maybe you wanna stay tonight. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just in my mind. Yeah, I wanna get there, I wanna get there. Just take my hand. Yeah, I wanna get.
Power hour turned into power hours. Took me way too long. Sometimes you just gotta know when to call it quits, and I just called it quits. So I'm done for the night. Whatever I didn't get done today is okay. I'll try to, pick it up tomorrow. I will give you guys a brief overview of how everything turned out.
As you can see here, the kids were already kind of jumping on the couch. But anywho, thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe on your way out. If you like this kind of video, please give me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys very soon in a brand new video. Bye.